what's up guys? So we're just gonna do a little demo of this Draino Max Ultra gel from Costco. It's a 2-pack of their 80-ounce size, so you get quite a bit of it for 10 bucks. Supposedly this is the strongest stuff they make, and it's got that Costco value. It comes bundled together, and it shows here the instructions. Pretty simple. You pour a 5th bottle of this at a time. You wait 15 to 30 minutes, and then you drain it, or just flush it, basically just run water in it. Down here it shows everything it does compared to other methods of cleaning drains out, so should be good to go. It also says it's safe for metal and plastic pipes. So let's check out what all I'm trying to drain. And as you can see, this tub's got a drain problem. That was a quick little shower, and the water's backed up pretty good, probably about 2 or 3 inches deep. When I got out right where the drain is, it is draining, but quite slowly. So we're gonna go ahead and try the Draino out and see what it can do. All right, so now that it's all cleaned out, I'm sure you can see the clog that's in there. It's mostly a bunch of hair and just God knows what, but hopefully this Draino will clear it out. Let's give it a shot. It says to do a 5th bottle pour, so let's go ahead and do that. All right, that may be a little more, but just gonna let it run its magic and be back in about a half hour. All right, so the Draino had a chance to do its magic. It sat for about a half hour, then I flushed it with copious amounts of hot running water, and it seems like it did the trick. Normally when it would have backed up, it drained clearly, and there was no issues at all. There was a little bit of gunk left behind, but you can always run another batch of it to clear everything out. I didn't do that, but I could have. It's still much easier and cheaper than calling a plumber out or having to get a snake and clear everything out yourself. So it's definitely a win, and it's got that Costco value, like always. Be sure to exercise caution with this. Wear, protective gear and everything when need be, and keep it away from kids and pets, obviously. All right, so that's going to do it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos like this. I do a lot of DIY stuff, reviews, Costco stuff, just everyday stuff, hence the name of the channel. All right, bye.